Wow. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I was inspired by something that happened to me that's not super great. Don't look at the title. This is a fire look, like a flame look. I am actually inspired because I have crazy sunburn. I literally have blisters on my chest. I applied my sunscreen literally 5 times over 5 hours and I still got sunburned. So guys, don't use spray-on sunscreen. It does not work, I promise you. If you guys see my gross blisters throughout the video, I am very sorry. They're mostly on my chest, like pretty low between the frame. But if you do, I'm sorry. It's pretty gross. But that is where I got my inspiration from, and I wanted to do a little bit of fire today. I was also inspired by Shaaanxo's Aries look. I really wanted to do fire today, and that was the one that really stood out to me. She's a beauty YouTuber that I really look up to. She's one of the first beauty YouTubers that I watched, and I really look up to her, so I wanted to kind of sort of copy her style but also put my own twist on it. I prefer more reds in my fire look while hers were more orange. But I hope that you guys want to see how this looks. If you want to see how I got this look, just follow along. Okay, so I'm going to begin with my eyebrows. I'm going to make them relatively dark just because I want them to really be bold for this eye look. So I'm using my Milani Stay Put brow color in the shade Soft Brown, a little bit melty. Okay, and then next I'm going to be priming my eyes, so I'm using my Morphe eyelid primer. And I'm just using a little bit of it, because this stuff can also totally mess up your eye look if you use too much. And then I'm gonna be setting it with, I'm mostly gonna be using my James Charles palette. Looks like this. Right now I'm gonna be going in with the white shade. This is Flashback. Okay, and then next I'm going to be sketching out the shape that I want in a lighter shade. So I'm gonna be going in with probably this orange right here. So this is, oh man, I hate these things. 518. And this is just a little tiny flat brush. Okay, so I have it sketched out for the most part with that orange. So now I'm going to start filling it in with a red with that same brush. So I'm going to be using this red right here. This is the shade Rusted. Okay, so I have, for the most part, the shape that I want to be sketched out. Next I'm going to be going in and shading a little bit of orange into the crease. So I'm going to be going back into that same shade 518 with a little brush and gently blending that into my crease. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that red. And then on the center of my eye, I'm going to be going in with this yellow over here. And this is the shade B. I'm still not 100% done with my eyes, but I do want to finish up my face makeup before I move on. I'm going to start with some primer. So this is my Cover FX Blurring Primer, which I am very close to being out of. And then for foundation, I'm using my CoverGirl True Blend, like usual. But I have to be very careful where I'm placing it. It might be a little too light for me right now. Oh yes, definitely too light for me. Okay, I'm gonna mix this a little bit with my ColourPop No Filter foundation. This one is too dark for me, but this foundation is way too light. And then for concealer, I'm using my ColourPop No Filter concealer. But I'm gonna go in with a brush and dab that in with a little flat brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna set my face using my RCMA No Color Powder and a big fluffy brush as I get the powder all over me. Okay, so now that my base is done, I do want to move back into my eyes, but I'm actually going to be using lipstick as the liner for this fire look. So this is my Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. So I'm just dipping a tiny little bit onto a little IT Cosmetics brush, and then I'm going to be lining the outside of the fire. Oh my goodness. I think I just held my breath that entire time. I've realized that it's not the most even, but it's fine. I like this eye better than this eye, but it's okay. I still really like the way it looks. But next I'm going to be moving on to more of my face. I do want to bronze it up a little bit because I feel like the shade still doesn't match completely. So I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. This is just the mini guy. And then I am going to be using blush today because I'm a brand new woman and I use blush now. So the blush that I'm going to be using is from Note Cosmetics. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose. It's a really nice warm shade, so I thought that would work really well with this look. I'm just using a Luxie blush brush, and this is a very pigmented blush, so I'm tapping a lot of it off. And I really like to put blush on my nose. I don't know why. And then for my highlighter today, I'm just going to be using my oldie but goodie. This is the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. It's been very loved. I'm going to set my face using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. The mascara that I'm using today is Big Ego by Tarte. So the lashes that I use today are the Baddington lashes. These are in the style Monroe 3D Silk lashes. These definitely are not my favorite. They are very, very, very straight, and I am struggling to keep them on my eyeballs. So I think I might be getting rid of these after No! I think I might be getting rid of these once I take them off. I cannot decide what color lips to do. Okay, so I asked the boyfriend. He said blood red. So I'm gonna go with NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the shade Cherry Skies. I really like NYX liquid lipsticks, as you can probably tell because I use a lot of them in my videos. Alright guys, so I think that is just about it for today. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I want to thank you guys for watching me today. Thank you guys so much for giving me support, and I really appreciate it when you guys make it to the end. If you guys did make it to the end, tell me your favorite video on the internet, period, ever, because maybe I want to watch. I want to get to know you guys and see what you guys really like. But I want to thank you guys again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you again next time. Bye.